Welcome to Evolution Architects. Evolution Architects.
We believe that architecture and design
are evolutionary processes
continually developing to offer sustainable innovation
through extraordinary solutions.
So my name is from the Evolution Architects. After I qualified in 1994, I went to work for 2 practices, and then from there I went into Graphisoft, and then after that started Evolution Architects in 2010. The one thing that Evolution Architects stick to, it's like a golden rule, is it's the layers and the line widths. So that everybody who works on the project or on the drawings understands. So if you've been working on a project and suddenly you need someone else to help you because there's major deadlines, someone else from the practice can easily take over, and there's no questions, and you know how the project works in terms of the program that we work on. The best thing is when they're happy with the design and the 3D and that you've presented to them, and they say, okay, that's what they want. And then the final building is what they sign off. That is the best thing, to see a happy client, and the client that will come back to you again because you can produce what they want. At the schools, we work together with the headmaster, very closely with the headmaster, as well as the teachers, because they know exactly what they want, and we can show them what we think would be suitable, and by showing it in 3D, that really does help them to understand what we are aiming for. The program has developed so much over the years. We are on version 26 now. So with each evolution, we've been able to evolve the way we present what we do to our clients and to the professionals that we work with.
Yeah, so I'm Roman Iver from Evolution Architects. Been here for 2 years, almost 2 years, going into May. I started using Archicad 16 when I was in the second year of varsity. And then from there, got on now to 26, 10 versions later. It's been great. We learned a lot. It's really developed as well from 16 to now. So started off in 2D. So we used the model for rendering and those kind of purposes. But at that time, I would probably use the 2D on different programs, but use the 3D from Archicad. And now it's actually developed quite well, where everything's done on 26 and everything's done in one go instead of using various programs. So that's what I find really great about it. Yeah. So Huge Farm was an existing warehouse that the client approached Evolution to design, and to give it more of a contemporary feel, and to design the warehouse where it kind of involved and brought together the office environment and focused on giving the project a much more new feel to the surrounding area. So starting off with that as a brief, Evolution was of course tasked to design it and to give it a new look to the area. So starting from the offices to getting that fluid motion into the warehouse, and to also giving the warehouse a good feel to it, that the user, the staff also enjoys the environment, and it wasn't just a production area but also a space that the workers and the users will also feel kind of comfortable in the space and not just being there for the purpose of being there. So yeah, New Form was that kind of project that was required. And also in terms of the 3D, working with the 3D and working with the model and working with the clients as well. So it allowed both us, the architects, the firm, and the client to kind of get the best out of, even though it was an existing warehouse, to get the best out of the project and to make sure that the user itself will benefit from the project.
I'm Lauren Jabet, and I've been working for Evolution for 11 years now. And I've been working on Archicad also since varsity, which it's something I use every day. It's like, I've seen this tool that I just use automatically, and it really helps us so much in our field. So we work on all sorts of different projects and types of projects. So residential, we've done quite a lot of houses, we've done a lot of space planning at first, block diagrams to get the house to work and flow well. And then you get into the 3D design, and most clients, they don't really know what's in your head until they see the 3Ds, and then they're like, oh wow, it's amazing, and they can actually see the vision that you have. So I think we have all of our libraries of textures that we built out over the years, and they can see it quite realistically.
The benefit of using Archicad is that the fact that everything's in 3D, when you change something bad or an elevation, it automatically updates across the board from your schedules, your plans, sections and elevations. Way back in the day, when you're working in 2D, you would change your plan and then go into change elevations, sections, and schedules, etc. So that's a major advantage, and which saves hours of work. Often when you're working under pressure, you'll tend to forget to change something in a particular elevation, and I submit it to the client, and the client's busy going through the plan, he finds an area that you've missed out on. In Archicad, you don't have that problem, but you change it in one place, it changes in every place, it changes in elevations and sections, everywhere. So you avoid having that issue, which is actually really nice to say.
3, 2, 1.
My name is Rowan from Evolution Architects, and I've been working with TotalCAD for the past 25 years. Can I go?
Hi, I'm Roman. I've been working with TotalCAD for 9 years now.
I'm Lauren Jabet, and I've been working with TotalCAD for 16 years.
My name is William Whitehouse, and I've been working with TotalCAD for the last 15 years.
So, are you interested in the Graphisoft suite of products? Or maybe you would like to find out specifics as to how these products could be of benefit to your business? Well, then contact us at the TotalCAD Solution Center, the authorized distributor for Graphisoft products in Southern Africa.